How to appear offline on WhatsApp when you are actually online. Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you a quick way how you can appear offline on WhatsApp when you're online. So if you don't want anyone knowing that you're online and reading your messages, I'm going to show you how. Okay, first go to WhatsApp and then go to your settings. So I'm in the settings menu here straight away. Then next, click on account. And then next, click on privacy. So the first thing that you want to adjust is where it says last seen. Click on that and then change that to nobody. And then next, where it says read receipts, about halfway down, you just want to toggle that one off. That way, if somebody sends you a message, you can read it and it won't notify that person that you've actually read their message. And that's how to appear offline on WhatsApp when you're actually online. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.